Hey, what's going on, guys? This Terrence Ray. I'm back at you with another stock market update. Uh, Today is Friday, the end of the week, and closing out the trading week. Had a lot of fireworks this week. Let's see how we're gonna close the week. As we're looking, let's see. Let's hide these drawings. You can see we got the market right here. Looking at the SPX. So I'm gonna have my indicators. See, today we got a little bit of a rally. It sold off some. I just want to see how we're gonna close the bell. How we're gonna close the market. We're gonna close. Are they gonna sell them? Beat them down going into the close. Now, like I told you guys, I actually think that we're going to get somehow. I don't see my expected move markers on here. Let's see. I can pull them up on here. I'm gonna show you guys every week. I plot the expected move, and one of the reasons why I do that, let's see if is because the market generally stays within that move. I don't know, my keyboard been acting crazy. I know I put some new batteries in it. As you can see right here, here's for the week. You can see we came right up in there, and then we came down into here, and right now we're inside of that expected move for the week. As you can see, here we go, just like so. And so we're seeing right there. So the option market is telling us what the move is going to be like. I would do one this weekend and show you guys what it's going to look like going into the next week. And I thought about putting it on like an expected move, like an expected move, butterfly, something like that, like a weekly trade. Thought about doing something like that. So let's see. God, wait, just as soon as I get onto a video and phone start going crazy. Also, I did being as that now one of the things that I like to do, um, I talk about what I think the market is going to do, and I put my money where my mouth is. So we had the market rallying right here on today, and I don't believe that the markets at some point, yeah, these gaps will get filled. I'm not saying that they won't, but I do think we're gonna get some more downside action. I don't think this is the end of it. So what I did, I came into the SPY. And then I sold a call spread. So let's go in there and let's show you what came out 35 days. And here I am right here. So this is a short call spread. This is a bearish position. I want to see the market either now it's a bearish to neutral. Now the market, you can see my short strike is up here at 561. So over the next 35 days, it can oscillate around in between here and long as and let time decay and let the IV rank um, contract. If volatility contracts, I'll make money. I don't necessarily need it to go down. Yeah, it can go down and I'll make money, but it can also just go down or come up. Just don't come past here in the next 35 days. And that's at 561. So that's just goes to show you I'm up here. Right. That's 560. So I'm up here, which is for me, I just don't I think that when you see me use a moving average, I use certain ones. And when they cross, and I do think that this one will still cross. And when it cross, in order for it to cross, we're gonna have to get another candlestick to take this down um, to the downside to hit this level down here. So, Monday may even get a little bit up into here. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, and I think by the end of the week, it'll start turning to get this to cross over. We'll see if I'm right. I'm betting on it. I have a strangle in the IWM. I got 3 positions on right now. My strangle in the IWM is a neutral position. You see, I put it on yesterday, and it's in small profit. with the IWM, making neutral trades, you don't have to be directional. Like you don't, I'll watch a lot of I watch different videos of people, and uh, everything is based on being right, picking the right stock. I don't care about the right stock. You don't need to be you, like if you're just buying stock, you just gonna hold it for 3 to 5 years and just then that's fine. You can have a portfolio for that, and I have something for that where I just buy stocks and just sit on it, right? Or you can make money um all the time in between. You don't just have to wait on the stock to go up. And all I'm doing is playing the math game. I'm just out. I set a strangle. I'm out here. You just need the market to stay within here and get some theta decay. You already see in one day it's already decayed. Got $15. So if we just take an average of this trade, maybe what 10 days, and I'll be at 150. If it does that, we'll look at the analysis tab, and I can show you guys. This is one of the best analysis tabs out there too. If you're not using TastyTrade, I don't know what you're doing. I got a link in the show notes for you to use to set up your account. Let's see. You can see right here. I just need the market. You can see where my short strikes are. Here we go. There you go. See the green area? Green area is where I make money. And you can see as of right now, it's showing a 78% probability of profit. And I can go out here. If you look to the right where it says evaluate at date, so today is Friday. So we're going to push it forward to next Friday, which I think is the 2nd. And if we go to the 2nd and the market stays where it's at, I'll be at, it's saying $36, but that's not right. It'll be a little bit more than that. It'll be a whole lot more than that in a week. Because by that time, um, IV will have contracted. So if you look at it like that, now what I did was I clicked to use the per contract IVs. So in a week I'd be at what, $55 possibly. And the one thing about IV contraction, it can go faster than that. It just depends on how much of this vol comes out and when it comes out. I've seen that type of collapse happen in a day or two, or it could expand more. But I'm fine with it as long as the market stays within here. I'm good, and I can move these strikes around just like I did in the video. So let's say I get some downward action, right? And this, for some reason, this short strike gets pressed. Now this short strike is at 198. We are currently at 223. I'd have to get a $25 sell off to get down here to get some pressure here, right? It'd have to be like something like crazy going on in the world to get this. And if that would have been happening, I'd be following the market down by rolling these calls down, buying them back, reselling them at lower strikes. Just what I did in the video. Here's the video, and you can see the video is going down, and I've moved these short strikes down, which I may move them down some more. This again, the only thing about it is I expect to get a pop. See this wick right here on this candlestick? I expect for NVIDIA to move up a little bit. So I kind of don't want to. My short strike right now, I think I'm at 131. Yeah, I'm at 136. So 136 will put me right here. So I kind of don't want to. I'm expecting an up move at some point in the video. Let's look at it on the intraday. Let's look at the video on the intraday. So here we go right here on pull it up on the look at it on the hourly 3 week. See, got a gap right here. I'm betting next week we get a rally at some point in the video. Get a rally up in here. And also in the video got earnings coming on August 28th. So I don't expect us to get a real big move. And I notice I see something going on right now. So let's get back to the SPY. Show you guys just in the time since I've been on the video, it sold off about 2 more bucks. Look at this candlestick. I wanted to come on and do a show because I wanted to see them. I wanted to see if they were going to sell them going into the close. There's a lot of times you'll see some traders come in right before the closing bell for the weekend and either get short or take off add hedges on, close out and cover some positions. And I want to see if they sell them off. I wouldn't be surprised. We got about 4 minutes before the bell, 3 minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if we seen this. I wouldn't be surprised if we seen it go red at the end of the day. We're overdue for this sell off, guys. Should have been got this sell off. And it's healthy for the markets to get some two-sided action. It's in my opinion, it's boring just to see the markets go up all the time. I'm thinking about covering some of the presidential race, and only from the aspects. Yeah, I might give a little bit of commentary. Um, but they got some betting markets out there where you can bet on who's gonna win, and you can stuff like that. So I'm more interested in that because trust me, if they can make money on it and they can make a market on it, um, it it's something to it. And so I'm gonna start looking into some of these platforms where they got the betting markets on who's gonna win the office of president. And so I may cover some of that coming into the and football season get ready to start. So I'm also gonna be talking about some of that stuff too. We'll cover some point spreads, some games, who I think gonna win the game, stuff like that. I think that'll be fun to do anyway. For me, I like that kind of stuff, and I um probably crank that prize picks back up. So we see right now, it did look like it was gonna sell off a little bit. Then somebody bid it back up. Um, see now I think Tesla was green earlier on the day. It has rolled over. Right now in the S&P 500, we got 355 stocks green or positive today. Earlier in the day, it was like 430. Um, it's like 430, 440 is around that range. So some of them have rolled over. I think Nvidia is rolling back over to be like flat. You can see this candlestick was up a little bit earlier today, and some of the stocks have rolled over. We got about coming into the close, got about 30 seconds into the close. Apple is basically unchanged on the day. Look at this. We got Meta. Meta had a big day for the most part, but it's been down these 2 days. It gapped down and down again. So it just found some support, maybe right in here where this big wick is. So you can see Meta's up. Here we go, about to get the bell. And that's it, guys, for the week. Make sure you guys tune in for the weekly video. The one I post on the weekend, setting you up for the next week. I go over what I'm gonna be looking for, what I'm looking to trade. I go through some scans, look for some stocks, find some breakouts. It's always something breaking out. Um, and then I'll do a video on it. So, to kind of get you set up for the week. I've done more videos this week because we got a lot going on. You got action. Just watching the market go drift up every day is boring. Like to me anyway. And then when you get a sell off, you can really start putting some trades on. And I'll probably put some more on next week. But I want the market to move. One of the things that's critical to not having, like, a lot of times you'll hear on TV, you'll hear them talking about diversifying your portfolio, right? When these stocks go down, they all going down. I guarantee you, if you go back to this day right here on July 18th and you go back to July 24th, this big red candlestick, the majority of all stocks were going down. I don't care what you earn. I mean, excuse me, what you owned. So diversifying your portfolio to me isn't just about owning different stocks. It's about having different strategies in your portfolio while mixing those with different expirations. Meaning, I could have three positions on right here in this like what you would call maybe a swing trading portfolio, but this one is 56 days out expiration. This one is 28 days out, and this one is 35 days out. So they all are going to react a little different based upon how the market moves. This one is a neutral trade. This one is a bearish trade. And believe it or not, this one is a bearish trade because of how the market is moving. With that being said, they don't all react the same way to the market. That's a way of diversifying your portfolio. So make sure you guys keep tuning in, and I'll keep doing trades, and we'll keep on doing this thing together. And let me know what you watching this week, what you're trading, what you own. Give me a stock. I'll come on and mark it up, on the chart, let you know which direction I think, or what I think. I may even trade it. Just depends. And with that, guys, I'm gonna be out. Peace.